Hello, friends. I'm David Mao. Today I will be talking on the theme It's Never Too Late to Start. We are about to enter into the last month of the year, and soon we will be entering into the new year. Can we see the newness and the possibilities that lies before us? There is a saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Truly, we can make change happen anytime, and the best time is now. A fresh start is possible. We can gather ourselves and begin anew for good and for the better. C.S. Lewis once said, "You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending." Well, our past has its own story, but it is no longer the reality now. The present matters, and the future awaits us with tremendous possibilities. We only need to start from where we are, right here, right now. It is possible to let our passion find expression, to let our dream unfold and let our destiny shine. A line from The Alchemist, written by Paulo Coelho, reads, "And when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it." What better time than to begin what you have long wanted? Remember, every journey begins with a step. So take that first step, make that phone call, write that book, start that diet regime, end that toxic relationship, learn that new skill, stop comparing yourself to everyone else, and so on. Start now. It is never too late.
The consequences of the pandemic have been devastating. So many of us feel resentment and despair when we envisage all the different experiences we would have had, all the new people we would have met, and all the different ways we would have grown if not for the lockdown. Some of us may also be concerned that we may have lost out more than what others may have. It sure is comforting in some ways to wallow in self pity and delay action. But the pandemic has happened. Most of us have spent 1 year living in suboptimal conditions. But now what? Now what that things are getting better? And what about when things have become more or less as they were? Will we still sit and whine about the lost time and the lost opportunities? Still complain that we cannot make up for them? It is never too late to start again because there is no better alternative. The consequences of not starting again or starting differently is despair and resentment that will corrode your spirit. That's a heavy price to pay. Neither is change possible overnight, not unless there is a very powerful stimulus for it. So we must take things slowly. Address one small thing we want to change at a time. And then, just like that, we're in a little way better than we were yesterday. These changes compound, They don't simply add up. They reinforce each other and give you more energy and willpower to make bigger changes possible. They also open up new windows of opportunity. The most difficult part is going to be the start. But if you courageously push yourself forward and assimilate each previous step into yourself, the entire journey becomes easier. Have a great Sunday.
It's never too late to start again, to try and get wet in the rain. It's never too late to drop that, to follow the eagle and leave the rat. It's never too late to break that jar, to venture out without fear to lands afar. It's never too late to create and destroy, to shake the foundations and ignore the toil. It's never too late to walk by the moon, follow stars in a trance-like swoon. It's never too late to start again, to welcome the new and forget the pain.